Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by going straight to Settings and tapping Accessibility, because Color Filters live there. Once you find Color Filters or Color Correction, tap it to reveal controls. Make sure your device is unlocked and you can enter a passcode if prompted. You're doing this now so you don't waste time searching menus. Once the screen shows filter types, pause and observe which filter is active. Knowing that tells you why colors looked off and prepares you for the next step. Now disable the active filter. Flip the color filter's toggle to off or uncheck the selected filter option. If there's an intensity slider, drag it to 0% so the effect is fully removed. Make sure to look at a known white or neutral image to confirm colors return to normal. Once done, you'll notice improved contrast and true colors. If multiple accessibility profiles exist, repeat these steps for each profile to ensure none are reapplying filters automatically. Finish by confirming the change across apps. Open the browser, photos, and a document to ensure colors are consistent. If colors still look off, restart the device to clear cached display states. Make sure Night Shift, True Tone, or third-party screen apps aren't applying color shifts. Disable them temporarily to isolate the cause. If problems persist, reset accessibility settings, but only after backing up or noting preferences, because a reset will erase saved accessibility configurations.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.